You go ahead, Ika. Take avocado. This is nice tomato. Nice sibuyas. Eggplant lasagna. Okay, I'm going to start for the bechamel or white sauce. Here are my ingredients. Of course, milk, all-purpose flour, and I will be using peppercorns, bay leaves, salt, butter, and Parmesan cheese, and plus also white onions for the bechamel. And for the tomato sauce, because it's vegetarian, the substitute of the meat for the tomato sauce, this one, mushroom. I will have also, I will be using canned tomatoes instead, fresh tomatoes, or you can use fresh tomatoes if you want to, it's up to you. And white onion, garlic, pepper, olive oil, salt, and for the layers, for our eggplant lasagna, of course, eggplant. Okay guys, keep watching. The eggplant is already cut, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to brush with olive oil with this flat baking before I'm going to lay the eggplant. After that, brush some olive oil on the top. Salt, pepper. I will bake in the oven for about 375 degree and for 7 minutes. For the tomato sauce, I'm going to start with olive oil, garlic, onions, mushrooms, 1 teaspoon of salt, pepper, it's about 1 teaspoon also, and stir them. I will cover and leave it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, stir. And then cover it and leave it for about 5 minutes or until it will golden brown the mushroom. And now we're going to add the tomatoes. Add more salt. And pepper. And after that, I will cover it for about 10 minutes. While I am cooking my tomato sauce, I'm going to start now my bechamel. But first, I will steam first the milk. So, I will need 3 cups of milk. And then add some peppercorns, bay leaves, and white onions. You don't have to stir or boil. You need to steam the milk. After 10 minutes, I'm going to check now. After milk is done, I'm going to collect now the milk. So I have this cheesecloth to strain the milk. but you have to be careful when it's hot, or leave it for half hour before you're going to strain your milk. But I wanted to do it now. For the white sauce or bechamel, I will need 3 tablespoons of butter, then another 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. So I'm going to dump it slowly but slowly. Why slowly but slowly? The all-purpose flour to prevent lumps. Okay, this is what we need. Look at that, it's thick. And after that, I will start now the milk, and slowly by slowly also, to prevent lumps. Add salt, pepper, and I'm going to add grated Parmesan cheese to add flavor. Add the rest. Keep stirring until we reach the thickness. All the ingredients are good, so that this is now my bechamel, and this is the thickness that I am talking about with you. And then the tomato sauce, and the eggplant. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to spread tomato on the baking pan. And add another layer, and do it until the baking container is full. After the tomato sauce and bechamel, cheese, Parmesan cheese, or any kind of cheese you want, and cheddar cheese. More Parmesan cheese. Before to cover the lasagna baking pan, you have to spray or oil your aluminum foil to prevent sticky. Cover it up. Bake this for about 400 degrees in 20 minutes. After 20 minutes baking, this is how it looks like now. Eggplant lasagna. I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget also to comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next video. See you. Bye.